The first thing we'll do is select this vertical face, which looks to me as though it's parallel with the center line of your part. Select that face. Whoops, wrong. Select tool, select that face, turn it, hold the control key and select the opposite face. Now if we press the K key on the keyboard, we got a sketch plane running down the center of the part on which we can draw our curve. Now the center is running through the lowest point of this curve, so you can choose for yourself where to start, or whether it's here at the point or a bit further along. I'm going to choose this point here, and we're going to use the spline tool up here in the sketch panel. So we've got a spline, select the spline tool, and for convenience we'll arrange our face and sketch plane straight on with the screen. So press the V key and that puts it nice and square to us. So I'm going to select here and start to draw the spline curve. Now you'll have to play about a bit to get the curve you require. Now that seems to be fairly good to me, so I'm going to end it there and press the escape key. Puts a nice smooth curve in for us. Now you can manipulate this bit by selecting the move tool in the edit panel, and you can go to the various knots. There's two of them, of course. Well, there's the end ones and these here, so you can select one and you get the move handles, and you can move them as you wish. There's the other one. But I think that looks quite nice for the purpose. Now we need to make this line into a plane or surface, so we're going to complete it with the line tool here up in the sketch panel. You can select it, or you can just type L on the keyboard to get that, and we complete it by going to the very end and up to and along, down, and then if we press the P key for pull, we see we've got a surface which is shown here on the structure panel, structure tree, running down the center of the part, embedded in the part. Well, we don't want it embedded, so we're going to move it out. So select the move tool and the surface there, and then just drag the blue handle so it comes out of the part. Change to the pull tool, get our pull handle. We need to select the cut tool to remove material, cut tool, and then left key and drag, and it cuts a piece out for us. There we go. Now of course if you want to smooth the edges off, you can select the edges, double click and select it all at one, control, double click, control click, and then we can say type 0.5, return. Now that's too severe. Now you notice that 0.5, I've got it's in inches, so obviously we should be in millimeters, so we'll change that to 0.5 millimeters. Return. Now we're getting somewhere, which is 0.02 inch. Perhaps that's not enough. 2 millimeters. That might be better. So there we've got a little radius on.